Remember my dream when I was at my lowest, wherein at any given week, I can tell myself, Sha, where do you want to work? That is my reality now. I am here in Cebu to work. But this does not feel like work to me. This is play for me. This is much more fun than watching the most beautiful movies you can think of for me. A couple of months ago, the organizers in the Maldives flew me to the Maldives to speak at their biggest HR convention, attended by no less than their country's vice president and first lady. And after my talk at Male, Maldives, which is the capital of the Maldives, they flew me via seaplane to this beautiful, luxurious resort. And they asked me, Sha, how many days do you want to enjoy the island? I said, can I stay for 5 days? They said, sure. And I learned later on that an overnight stay in this island, in this resort, is much more expensive than iPhone. And I was there for 5 days. And it's work, but it didn't feel like work to me.